Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating an anti-V-Day look. I'm going for a more fun and creative look, so I have my wig on and I'm using pink lipstick to fill in my brows. This particular shade is called Passionate by TheBalm Cosmetics.
Singers, sing what they told, but I know you got something else to say. Secret language, speaking in tongues, snake like, don't let you.
Once I've covered the brow in liquid lipstick, I'm wiping away the outer edge with a Q-tip and cleaning up the overall shape of the brow. For the upper edge, I'm using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer and Sigma E15 brush. For the lower edge of the brow, I'm using the Plouise base, which I'm then dragging down onto the eyelid to act as my eyeshadow primer.
You got a no touching sign. I feel like I shouldn't run. You're blocking the exit with your life.
Now to start on eyeshadow, I'm taking this matte pink shade called Bing from the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette and applying that to my outer V using the Sigma E35 brush. I'm using all Sigma brushes today, and you can use my discount code TheTaylorCherie for 10% off your purchase at sigmabeauty.com.
Speaking in tongues, snake like, don't let you on the run. Travel, dancing, I don't know what you are, you are, you are, you are. Summer, soaring over my heart. We're both dancing over the dark side. I don't know who you are, you are, you are.
Once I've packed that on and achieved the desired color payoff, I'm adding the black single shadow called LBD from Buxom Cosmetics to the outer edge of my lash line and buffing that out with the Sigma E45 brush, creating a smoky look. Next, I'm going over that area with a little bit more of the Bing shade, and then I'm applying several different shimmer shadows by Buxom Cosmetics to the lid. First, I'm adding the fuchsia luster shade called Party Girl. Then I'm placing the metallic rose pink shade called High Kicks above that. Next, I'm adding the shimmery sugar plum shade called Wild Nights and the iridescent lavender shade called La-la-lavish to the center of the lid. Now I'm moving on to my face makeup, but first I'm removing any of the fallout that landed on my face from the eyeshadow application process. For primer, I'm first using the Winky Lux Whipped Cream Primer, then I'm minimizing the appearance of my pores with the Benefit Porefessional. Next, I'm applying Benefit High Beam to the highest points of my face and brushing on some Fenty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 110.
Right.
Now I'm blending all of that in together with the Practk Power Blender.
Right, but they wanna show. Singers, sing what they told, but I know you got something else to say. Secret language, speaking in tongues, snake like, don't let you on the run. Travel, dancing, I don't know what you are, you are, you are, you are. Summer, soaring over my heart. We're both dancing over the dark side. I don't know.
For concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, which is super thick and reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape, so I definitely recommend it as a dupe since it's only $6.
You got a no touching sign. I feel like I shouldn't run. You're blocking the exit with your life.
After blending that in with a mini Real Technique sponge, I'm setting my under eyes with the Urban Decay Ultimate Brush Off Powder using a damp Morphe sponge. Now I'm switching things up a bit and finishing off my eyes before moving on to the rest of my face makeup. For my lower lash line, I'm applying the Bing shade from the Urban Decay Cherry palette and then highlighting my inner corner and brow bone with the Buxom Single Shadow in Satin Seduction. Next, I'm curling my lashes, applying the new Buxom Xtrovert mascara, which claims to deliver intense volume, lift, and length that lasts for 12 hours straight. Of course, if you're a regular viewer, You know that my lashes never seem to cooperate with any mascara, so I'm popping on some falsies. Next, I'm adding the Sigma long-wearing eyeliner pencil to my upper and lower lash line and buffing out the lower to create a smoky effect. Then I'm adding more of the shade Bing so it looks nice and blended. Now I'm going back to my face makeup and applying the Benefit Hoola bronzer to the hollows of my cheek, my jawline, and along the sides of the bridge of my nose. There's really no need for me to add any to my forehead since I'm wearing this wig. Now for highlight, I'm using the Benefit Dandelion Twinkle highlighter, and for blush, I'm using the Sigma Aura face powder in Nymphaea. Next, I'm setting my makeup in place and melting the powders for a skin-like finish with the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist. I'm also adding mascara to my bottom lashes. Finally, for lips, I'm using the Velvet Pout Semi-Matte Lipstick in Enchantress by Lip & Co. Beauty. And that completes this anti-V-Day look. Let me know in the comments below if you like to get creative with your makeup and hair as well, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!